What is up, you guys? First of all, Happy New Year's to everyone, and I want to wish you guys all the best for 2019. Make sure that it's going to be one of your best years, and let me know what your resolutions are, obviously. So today's video, we got FedEx, a big box of FedEx. Now I know what this is. This is my rally armor. I'm just surprised that they came in a big box like this. Last time they came in a very thin box, like this thin. So maybe they packed up a little bit of extra goodies for me. You never know. So now I'm gonna go pick up my passport, and later on I'm gonna be doing some stuff with my boy Wayne. We're gonna be talking and doing stuff for our cars, and I'll definitely film that for sure. So I'll see you at Wayne's place in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we are at my boy Wayne's house with the twin. What's up? Right now what we're going to be doing is a trunk swap, right? Yeah. Trunk swap, and I'm going to be giving him my summer tires that I don't want because, like I said before, I'm going to be getting the JDM wheels with the tires together. Alright, first step is done. We had to disconnect this wire, which is basically for the light on the back. So now we're basically going to, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We only got 4 bolts we got to remove, and then that's it. Alright, so now she is completely trunkless. This does weigh a bit of pounds, but not that heavy, so we got that off. Alright, so we got the STI trunk and wing off of my boy Wayne's, and we're going to be putting it on my car, and he's going to take this one here. They're actually pretty heavy, I'm not going to lie. This one's about maybe, this what? One's heavy. This one's heavier. That one's what, 20 pounds, I'd say? Or?
What, the little one?
No, the big one.
More than that, like 40.
Really?
40.
Didn't even feel like 40.
Go.
So what we're going to do is we're going to be putting one screw on the bottom or on the top, doesn't matter, on each. And then we're going to do it on the other side too. We're going to have to do like a little switcheroo. That way we're going to be doing it safe. And another good idea is when you're going to do this, you don't want the trunk to hit the window because it can smash my window in the back. So we're going to be putting my jacket and Wayne's sweater on there to protect it from scratches and breaking. All right, so mission accomplished. Trunk fits. My car looks amazing, thanks to my boy Wayne. His car looks so empty in the back. Now, I fucked up on one part. Basically, when you pull the lever up to open the trunk, you gotta push it down right away. I fucked up and I left it up, and we closed the trunk. So now I have to literally just go through my car here.
So go do that.
So basically, that little glowing handle there, I gotta push it down. I have to push it down. Yeah. Oh god. So basically, whew, that was a child release lock. I had to go in the trunk. Shout out to that metal bar that I use to undo the bolts that are rusty. That shit comes in handy, guys. Whew. Let me tell you one thing. The shit that we do for our Subis is crazy. We'll do anything to make anything work. And Wayne is a genius for the trunk, guys. Wayne is a damn genius. And just like that, I am back home. Again, huge thanks to Wayne for helping me out. We traded trunks, and he gave me my radio. I didn't show you guys, but I'll post that on Instagram. Thanks for the radio again. And yeah. So I had to put my fenders in my grandmother's truck. Here's the bitch part. The bitch part is I can't just open up my trunk like that. So what you gotta do, and I have to actually remember this now. When I lift this up, I gotta close it back down right away before you close the trunk. Otherwise, I have to do plan B, remove the back seat, that little middle part, and literally do it again, that whole thing again. So let's not do that again. Actually, never mind. My radio is right here. Let's see how to get this out. Perfect. So this is my new radio. I can't wait to install it. I'm gonna go to my local garage on Timmins Street, Continental Garage, and see if they can install this for me. The cool thing I like this is that it gives me 2 options. I could either have my USB plugged in to listen to music, or I could have my aux cord, which I have. So I get 2 options. I like that. And yeah. Oh, we don't want to forget the key here. My grandmother's key. All right, so I gotta put back the fenders in the trunk. We want to keep the fenders nice and clean, obviously. I have my phone positioned in the most weirdest way right now, so bear with me. I'm sorry about the position. I know it's really, really weird. Until I could, get a tripod and everything. If you guys know any kind of tripods for mobile phones that's good, flexible, and accessible, let me know. I don't want to scratch my car. Obviously, take your time, do this right. Perfect. Awesome. So my goal pretty much with my car is basically to like make it a rally car. That's what I want to do. I want to hit the snow, the dirt, the mud, and everything. But first things first, maintenance will be taken care of. Wayne did check my fluids. Everything seems to be fine. I actually found out today. I actually learned today what a gasket is. A little hard to explain because my hood is down, but I'm gonna go upstairs and eat because I'm starving, guys. I'm starving. My rally armor, we're not gonna put it on until we hit capital tuning. Trevor could obviously install it for me easily, position it better than I can. So this will stay in the front seat. That's about it. That's pretty much about it. The only thing I have issue with the car right now is when I'm turning the wheel, it rubs. That's about it, but the car drives fine. Wayne did hear that noise where when I start the car, it makes a little whistling sound with the timing belt. It's fine. Honestly, it's fine. I'm very grateful, and I am definitely going to be keeping this car for a long period of time. No more selling cars, that's for sure. No more selling cars. We're going to be staying. I want to stay with this car for a while because this car has potential. So I want to be good with this car, and you know. All right, so I'm gonna end the video now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know it's not that much. I'm literally doing my best. I know there's gonna be a vlog coming up in a few weeks. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be like a road trip vlog. That one's gonna be at least 30 minutes or more. But other than that, car looks amazing. I love it. I will be definitely needing an exhaust system, but that could wait for now. And that's about it. She's stock. She looks great, and I love it. Thank you guys very much for watching. Happy New Year's to everyone, and I'll see you guys in 2019. Peace.